Elmo? Who drooled all over Mommy's bed? Huh? I know. Okay, you ready? I'm going to blow raspberries on your belly. I'm going to go... Oh, say hi to the camera. Ready? Here goes. Boink. Oh, Elmo! Kick, Elmo! Oh, Mommy was gonna do it. She was gonna blow raspberries on your belly. Give me that belly. Give me that belly. Ready? Ready? What you gonna do about it? Huh? Happy tail? Hi, Licky Lou! Come on, play! You're supposed to be playing for the camera. Why you do the pouty hound? Nobody wants a pouty hound. Who's a pouty hound? Pouty hound!